Hello everyone, today I will guide you how to use old containers to grow bell peppers on the balcony with low cost and high efficiency. To get bell pepper seedlings is very easy. First, I will grow bell pepper seedlings directly from seed. I will choose a nursery pot suitable for the number of seedlings, then put soil in. The seeds will cover the surface with a thin layer of soil and spray enough water to keep the seedlings moist to grow. Eating bell peppers has many health benefits, such as boosting the immune system, good for the heart, supporting weight loss, improving eyesight, and beautifying skin and hair.
Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.
The nursery pot should be placed in a cool place with moderate light and photosynthesis for the best growth of the seedlings. Just 7 days after sowing the seeds, the bell peppers have grown healthily. Now I start making pots to plant them. I would choose used plastic cans to reuse for growing bell peppers. We need to cut off the top of the plastic can and use a hot blowtorch to create drainage holes to avoid waterlogging for the chili plant when planting. In addition to adding flavor to many delicious dishes, bell peppers are also loaded with antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radicals and support healthy digestion. To make watering bell peppers easier, I used a 350 milliliter plastic bottle and a towel tied together to create a simple but effective automatic watering system. After preparing all the ingredients, I will prepare the soil before putting it in the pot. To make the soil loose and have enough nutrients for the bell peppers to absorb right from the start, I use worm castings mixed with the soil before putting them in the pots. When adding soil to the pot, you need to place the water bottle close to the edge of the pot so that the towel can absorb the water and lead it from the pot to the base of the plant. You need to leave a gap of about 7 to 10 centimeters at the mouth of the pot to avoid soil overflowing when it rains.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
Young bell pepper plants should be planted gently to avoid breaking the roots, scratching the stem, or breaking the branches. The plant will grow poorly and will not yield high yields. With just a 350 milliliter plastic bottle and a piece of absorbent cloth, you can create a simple and effective watering system, right? With this watering method, the roots of the plants will not be eroded or shaken. Once the bell pepper plant has developed healthy green branches about 20 centimeters high, this is the most suitable stage of care. So that the plant can withstand the weather, has good metabolism, enough soil to hold the roots, and has enough natural nutrients, I will add soil to the pot. In addition to adding water to the pot, I also use worm castings to fertilize the plants, giving the chili plants enough energy to grow and flower.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
The 1-month-old bell peppers have produced many flowers, helping the flowers grow healthily and produce many large fruits. I will fertilize each plant with organic pellets. The pellets will dissolve over time and provide long-lasting nutrition to the peppers, and I won't forget to water the peppers. Ginger is very good for agricultural products, stimulates bell pepper plants to bear fruit, and prevents pests, so I use ginger mixed with water and spray it evenly on each plant. From simple items, I can take advantage of growing bell peppers after 2 months. The plant has produced many large, colorful fruits, which will add more fun to the family's spices and delicious dishes.
Two, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.